In this video, let's see how to use the switcher content widget of Classic Addons plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. Here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on widget options and search for switcher content widget. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the general, you can choose the type of the content, text content or HTML content. Let's choose text content. The next option is switcher content. Here you can enter the primary title, and in the content area you can paste your content, and in the secondary title area type your second title, and here you can add your secondary content. And let's moving on to the style area, and here you can add the padding value for the switcher content. Add your preferred value for padding and margin, and here you can choose the background color for the switcher content. The next option is box shadow. If you want to enable, just click on it. Also you can change the style for the box shadow here. The next option is switcher head. Here you can give padding value for the switcher head. Let's give 10 pixels each side, and let's give 5 pixels for the margin. And also you can change the font color, background color in the normal and active view. Let's change the font color in the normal view, and now let's change the font color in the active view. Let's change the background color for the title, and let's change it in the active side. And these options for title padding, let's give 20 pixels. The next option is background color. Here you can give background color for the heading. The next option is switcher content. Here you can choose content padding and margin value. And the next option is font color. You can change the content font color here. Also you can change the background color, and this option for typography. Here you can change the content font family and the font style. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.